graft matters, where the Anti-Corruption Commission, court will on Thursday make a ruling on an application by the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution to withdraw the 7.3 billion shillings corruption case against Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. The prosecution argues that the Directorate of Criminal Investigations has failed to supply sufficient evidence and documentation to the defense to enable the case proceed to trial and want the case terminated.
Previously, also you read from Mr. Angugi as well.
A Milimani Law Court Wednesday morning.
So you identify with the contents of this affidavit dated 15th October.
When the corruption case facing Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua and 9 others came for mention, prosecution made an application to withdraw the case after efforts to get more evidence from the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI, became futile.
Your Honor, in light of the request to review, the prosecution team sat and reviewed the evidence. And at this stage, we realized that we were not able to respond to the letters without the evidence we had requested from DCI.
Defense led by Senior Counsel Kioko Kilukumi welcoming the application, saying the accused had been charged without conclusive evidence to sustain a trial.
We were told, irrespective of the evidence, have charges against these people. That's what it says.
Yes, and I'm saying that based on the briefings and evidence we had collected, at that point, we made the recommendation.
The investigating officer, Kuria Obadia, in his affidavit, putting the blame to the former director of DCI, George Kinoti, saying he was under pressure from his boss to prosecute the case.
Do you know what you're saying and what your affidavit is saying are two different things?
The same thing. We report to our boss on what we have done. We get directions. We follow the directions. That's how we work.
So you made the recommendation based on evidence or based on the instructions of Kinoti?
Based on the evidence and the briefings that we had.
In the case, Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua and 9 others face 6 counts of economic crimes, including conspiracy to commit an offense of crime, including conspiracy to commit an offense of corruption, money laundering, and fraudulent acquisition of public property. They are jointly accused of fraudulently receiving 7,330,011,265 through a microfinance bank while knowing they were proceeds of crime. The offenses are believed to have been committed on diverse dates between 2013 and 2020. For Prime Edition, I'm Ben Troinjue.